holidays, curl friends. I am so excited to announce that the curling headband, this year invention that we brought to market by RobeCurls, has made it into Google's top 100 holiday gift list. This is awesome. We are thrilled, and we also completely agree. The curling headband, this makes such an incredible gift, and that's why we're having a holiday sale on our curling headbands and all of our products at RobeCurls.com. Starting today, you can get 10% off of orders over $35, 15% off of orders over $75, and 25% off of orders over $150. This deal goes on until the 21st, and it's a great opportunity to get your hands on multiple curling headbands for yourself or as gifts for all of your loved ones this holiday season, because we know you have a lot of curl friends that are definitely in need for this awesome product. Plus, with our heatless technology, you won't have to worry about hair today, gone tomorrow. Your curls will last. All right, that was a bad pun. But either way, don't wait too long, because if you want to get your order in time for the holidays, you'll need to place your order by December 16th to take advantage of our free standard shipping. And if you want your order even faster, don't worry, we got you, girlfriend. You can also get our expedited 2-day shipping for an extra $5. So head on over to RobeCurls.com and take advantage of our holiday sale while supplies last. And yes, don't forget to pick up some curling headbands. They're the perfect gift for anyone who loves beautiful, healthy hair. The easiest way to create great curls anytime, anywhere. And yeah, happy holidays from all of us at RobeCurls.